So this question is also saying solve each inequality. Our final answer have to be x is greater than or equal to, or x is less than or equal to, or x greater than or x less than. Now here is our example. These are the assignment examples. Please practice this. And here is our example for demonstration. Here we have 4 is less than or equal to 3 minus x divided by 2. So as you can see, it's only x that is divided by 2. Okay. Now, when you are solving linear equations or linear inequations, as soon as possible, it's a good idea to cancel out your denominator, just like how we have a 4 there. Cancel out that 4 of 3 there. Cancel out that 3. Now, this one there, you have x minus 7 over 4. Both the x and the minus 7 is over the 4. So when you cancel out that 4, it's only the negative one that have to multiply by 4, because it is beneath, it's a common denominator of x and negative 4. So when you cancel it out, you just fly up and multiply to negative 1. But here now, for this one now, 3 is not common to 10. 3 is only under the x. So when you multiply by 3, 3 have to multiply by 10 also, because 10 is the one that is under it. Similar here is the one that is under the 3. Having said that, it's a good idea to do that. There is a 1 under the 3. Okay. So now, when we're going to multiply by 2, to cancel out 2, we're going to multiply by 2. We have to multiply 3 over 1 by 2 also. And we have to multiply 4 by 2 also. So it's something like this you have to do for part F. You have to multiply 3 times. But for part E, it's only twice you have to multiply, because both the x and the minus 7, one multiplication of 4 will take care of it, and then you multiply by 4 by negative 1. But here now you have to multiply 3 times. 10, x over 3, and 5, just like how I did it here. So what's going to happen now? You're going to have 4 2s are 8. Less than or equal to 3 2s are 6. The way x. Okay. Because 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Now, x is negative. We don't want to divide by a negative 1. So it's a good idea now to try to make our x positive as soon as possible. So we have to add x on the right. And if we add x on the right, we have to add x on the left. And this now will cancel out the negative that is on the right to avoid dividing by a negative 1. And then you have x plus 8 on the left. So now we're going to cancel out 8 now on the left to get x by itself. So we're going to cancel out 8 by minusing 8. And if you minus 8 on the left, you have to minus 8 on the right. Remember the golden rule of algebra. What you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. So therefore now, we are going to have a situation that reads x is less than or equal to, we're trying to take out 8 from 6. 6 subtract 8. After all the 6 is done, you still have 2 more to take out. So 6 minus 8 is a situation whereby you are left with 2 more to take out, to subtract, commonly known as a negative 2. So this reads all the numbers that are less than or equal to negative 2. Where are these numbers? On the left side of -2, -2 is included. All the numbers that are less than or equal to -2. So here it is. I can put it right there on the number line.